The Data Manager makes sure your application data is always available and saved. It's often used for managing recipes and machine parameters. Let's start by looking at the code. In the var block, we declare all variables used by the Data Manager. The main one is recipe, which is a DM file type. That's our recipe management variable. Next, we have groups of the DM group type, which help you create logical structures. Basic data types are handled by specialized function blocks. You can also set up time values and enumerations if you need them. When initializing, we name each element, set limits and default values. We set up the recipe management and decide where it gets saved. After that, we initialize the main group, call it production line 1, and link it to the recipe management. Two more groups, granulation mix and sterilization cycle, are subgroups of line 1. We initialize their values with the right limits and settings. We also set up an enumeration and add the values auto, manual, clean, and fault. Only the valid options will show up on the display. Let's take a look at the user interface. At the top, you'll see Recipe Management. That's where you start. Click on Production Line 1 to go to the next level. Here you'll see the recipe name, in our example ibuprofen, and the two subgroups. Clicking on Granulation Mix will show you all the relevant values in a table: name, set value, or actual value, and unit. The navigation bar at the top shows where you are: Recipe Management, Production Line 1, Granulation Mix. The arrow icon lets you move back one level. If you change a value, like the mixer speed from 180 to 200, that field turns yellow. This way you'll spot changes right away. The change isn't just in the detail view. The main group will also be marked. So right when you open it, you'll know if something's been changed without having to check every value. Happy with your settings? Just click Save to store the recipe. Next time you run production, or if something gets changed by mistake, you can bring back the old recipe by clicking Load. That was your overview of the ASKS Data Manager. Organized, safe, and fast. You'll find the complete sample code and more documentation on our website. Good luck with your implementation.